Many sports and trades require the wearing of safety glasses. These glasses are made by plastic molding. Here we see the interior of a mold. The optical part of the lens is mirrored in order to be as transparent as possible without being deformed. The glasses are made by melting the primary material, a plastic resin called polycarbonate. The resin granules are poured into this machine. It becomes liquefied at a temperature of 250 degrees centigrade. The liquid plastic is injected into the mold under pressure over a 30 to 60 second period. The plastic hardens rapidly, and the glasses are then removed from the mold. They mold several glasses at a time. The glasses are separated by hand and then are given an initial visual inspection. The glasses are placed on this support. They're then taken to the laboratory where they'll be given a surface treatment. But before beginning the treatment, they're washed to eliminate any impurities and to assure that the coating treatment adheres well to the lens. When they've been washed, the glasses are then rinsed in clear water. The glasses are now gently soaked in a chemical solution which prevents misting and scratching of the lens. This coating now has to be cooked. They direct the glasses towards an oven heated to 120 degrees centigrade. The soaking and cooking processes vary between 30 minutes and 2 hours. Each pair of glasses is inspected to make sure there are no imperfections or distortions in the lenses. Then the glasses are placed on this support. This milling machine automatically removes the last piece of polycarbonate. This one was left in place so that they could be able to handle the glasses without having to touch the lenses. At this stage of the production of the glasses, the nose piece is glued on. Certain pairs of glasses are selected from each production run. Here they evaluate the resistance of glasses to a racquetball hurled at them at 140 kilometers per hour. Here a hockey visor is tested against a puck traveling at 100 kilometers an hour. To conform to safety standards, the glasses must withstand these tests. It confirms that they're truly safe. They now proceed to final assembly steps in making the glasses. The last few pieces of the glasses, such as the plastic ear stems, are installed. Now completed, the glasses are placed in cases. It's the final step in their fabrication. They make several types of safety glasses here: industrial, hockey and football visors, swimming goggles, racquetball glasses, and for other uses. This particular facility can turn out thousands of safety glasses every day. And the polycarbonate resin used to make those safety glasses could very well save your eyes one day.